Akanji. It doesn't matter how very beautiful the meaning of one's name is. If one does not learn that meaning, one will never benefit from the beauty. How is a person whose Oriki is Akanji ever going to consciously draw out blessings from that Oriki when they don't even know the meaning of the Oriki in the first place? That is why a breakdown of our names is not only very important but actually very urgent. Akanji, that name is very weighty. Let us break it down. Akanji. The main words in that Oriki are the words kan and ji. What is kan? Just like every other Yoruba monosyllabic verbs, the word kan has many meanings. But the one opposite to our analysis is the one that means to touch. But the word kan can also mean to do something intentionally. When a person does a thing deliberately, that person can say, Mo kanle ṣe kiní ni. I have done this thing purposefully. That one is also a meaning very relevant to Akanji. So I move to the last syllable in that name. The word ji. It literally means to awake, to rise up. This word ji is usually used in Yoruba names to poetically refer to the arrival of a new child. We have it in names like Babajide, Yejide, Akanji, and what have you. So what is the meaning of the Oriki Akanji? The A that starts that name is a noun maker whose meaning can be said to be he, who, or the child who. The child who does what? The child who arrives after a single touch. The child who wakes up to life after just a single touch. Akanji. Asumo yale kan ṣoṣo. Ọmọkùnrin làǹtìlanti dẹ̀ tẹ̀lé ẹ̀ láìpẹ́ ọjọ́. That one is on the first level. But on the second level, and this is the one most popular, most of the time when a person bears Akanji, this is always the meaning in the mind of the parents who gave the name. Ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ jí sáyé, the child who arrives, the child who wakes up to life intentionally. It is very similar with Akanbi and Akande. This is a child who's waking up to this life, a child whose birth was not without purpose, a child who wakes up to life with an intention, with a specific destiny to materialize. Ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ jí sáyé, ọmọ tá bí tìpinnu. Your coming here, Akanji, was not as a result of biological happenstance. You were born with a purpose, deliberately. You were conceived intentionally. And that is why your Oriki is Akanji. Wàá Ṣere.